Are tape-in hair extensions good? Benefits. Pros and cons and expert guide. Tape-in hair extensions have quickly become one of the most popular methods in the beauty industry. But the question many people still ask is simple. Are tape-in hair extensions good? The answer is yes, but only when you understand how they work, how to care for them, and how to choose the right quality. In this in-depth guide, we will break down everything you need to know, including benefits, drawbacks, cost, maintenance, and expert tips. This article is designed to give you real clarity, not just basic information, so you can confidently decide if tape-in hair extensions are the right choice for you. https rawhair-luxury.com/r-tape-in-hair-extensions-good-benefits/ #rawhairluxury. #are tape-in hair extensions good? #tape-in hair extensions pros and cons. #can soft tape-in hair extensions. #tape-in hair extensions maintenance. #tape-in hair extensions cost.